cattle are prowling, the coyotes are howling, we out where the doggies bawl. Where spurs are a-jingling, the cowboys singing this lonesome cattle call. He rides in the sun till his day's work is done, and he rounds up the cattle each fall. Singing his cattle call. For hours he would ride on the range far and wide, when the night winds blow up a squall. His heart is a feather in all kinds of weather. He sings his cattle call. He's brown as a berry from riding the prairie, and he sings with an old western drawl. Singing his cattle call. Thank you.